Good evening, sir. My name is Caldito Giancarlo P. from Malasin po sa Pangasinan, 21 years old, and nag-aaral po sa University of Eastern Pangasinan, Luis IT 3C. Reresite ko po ang mission, vision, and core values. Vision, a leading local university known to develop excellent and virtuous professionals who are catalysts of progress for both the local and global communities. Mission, University of Eastern Pangasinan is dedicated to producing highly competent and morally responsible engineers through innovation, industry, focused education, but sustainable research, and values-based curriculum. We commit to shaping ethical trailblazers, bringing our principle-centered culture, defining our values of makajos, marunong, and malinis. Core values, excellent, uprightness, excellent, and passion. So, ang nag ang naging networking one po namin is si Ma'am Evelyn Nanyo. Siya po ang naging networking one namin, and madami po akong natutunan sa kanya. Like, yung Ethernet cable po, kung paano po magkabit din yung patch A, patch B, din cross patch po, and yung color coding niya po yung pagkakasunod-sunod niya po. Then, yung sa Cisco po, tutunan po namin paano mag-apply ng mga mag-apply ng mga LAN cables, then paano maglagay ng mga IP address and such. Then yung iba't ibang klaseng topologies, for example, bus topologies, star topologies, yung mga yun po yun. Then, yun lang po ito yung matandaan ko sa mga naging ni Ma'am Nanyo. Pero, as of now, hindi ko po alam kung makakasabay po ako sa studies ngayon, pero I will try my best po, sir, para makasabay kahit pa paano. I will be honest to myself, sir, kasi hindi po ako ganun kasipag and katalino tulad ng ibang estudyante. Yes, sir. So, ilang po yung natutunan ko kay Ma'am Nanyo. And, ilang po. Thank you po, sir.